Let us start solving history question bank solution. Chapter 1, Historiography, Development in the East. Choose the correct option from the given option and complete the sentence. First question is, it may be said that Dash was the founder of modern historiography. Answer is Voltaire. Dash wrote the book entitled Archaeology of Knowledge. Michael Foucault. Dialectus method was explained by Hegel. At the onset of the 20th century, Dash School of Historiography in France gave a new direction of history writing, Annales School. Dash explained the class theory, Karl Marx. Moving forward, identify the wrong pair in the following and rewrite it. In this, the wrong pair is Karl Marx. Discourse on the method, this is wrong. Answer is Das Kapital. In second question, the wrong pair is René Descartes and the corrected pair answer is Discourse on the method. The physical and natural science, in this third question, the wrong answer is the last option, Annales School, British historian. Will not come British historian, it is French historian. Do as directed. Various disciplines useful in historical research: archaeology, linguistic, genealogy and epigraphy. These 4 points you can write. Each of half mark and it contains 4 people. Nobel scholars in Europe: Michael Foucault, Karl Marx, René Descartes, George William Friedrich Hegel. Okay. Moving forward to the next web. Historians, Herodotus. Okay. And René Descartes wrote book Discourse on the Method. Das Kapital, Karl Marx. Michael Foucault, Archaeology of Knowledge. You can see that the questions are repeating in the different forms. Okay. Voltaire. Voltaire is the founder of modern historiography. Dash, the fundamental of feminism. Simone de Beauvoir is the fundamental of feminism. Michael Foucault, Archaeology of Knowledge, he wrote this book. And class theory is of Karl Marx. Read the following extract and answer the question given below. In which culture did the tradition of writing down historical events take place? The tradition of writing of historical event took place in Sumer civilization in Mesopotamia. Okay, you can read this passage and you will get the answer. In which museum is the oldest inscription found? The oldest inscription is found at the Louvre Museum in France. Okay, Louvre Museum in France. Express your opinion on how the inscription is the source of history. Many historical event has been preserved in the various inscription. You can write this answer on your own. This is the personal response question.